Start. Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good evening, madam. We will be presenting offshoring in multinational companies. So, my name is Muhammad Haziq, and you guys,
My name
kenalkan
is
diri.
Thomas Nulfulki.
And my name is Yusuf Khan bin Azhar.
And my name is Yahya Khan bin Azhar.
Okay, we will start with introduction by your name.
Snul.
All right,
Snul.
right now we are going to the introduction. Globalization makes multinational companies expand to other countries. Companies use offshoring to reduce costs and improve efficiency. Offshoring means moving business operation to another country. For example, manufacturing, IT, customer service, research. Research. Offshoring give benefits, for example, lower costs, higher productivity, and access to global workers. But offshoring also has challenge, for example, culture difference, communication problems, and legal and HR issue. And good international HR management, IHRM, is important to manage employees, reduce problem, and ensure business success. For the Kiros, this is our teammate's part, but right now he's have a problem, so he can attend our presentation. Okay, right. We're going to the benefits of offshoring.
Okay, so moving on to the benefits. So the first benefit is cost reduction, lower labor cost in other countries, and increase company profits. So the first benefit is like I said, cost reduction. Offshoring allows companies to reduce labor costs because wages in other countries are usually lower. When the company spends less on salary and operations, the company can increase its profit. So the second one is access to global talent lah. By offshoring, companies can hire skilled and experienced workers from different countries. This can help improve productivity and also encourage innovation into the company. And the next one is expanding international market, understand the foreign customer and increase global businesses. When companies operate in other countries, they can understand foreign customers better lah. This helps the company to grow globally and increase businesses opportunities. So the next one is the higher efficiency. Because different countries have different time zones, the company can run operation for 24 hours. This makes the work faster and improve overall performance lah. So moving on to the disadvantage of offshoring lah. Okay. Besides the benefit, of course, the offshoring also have some disadvantage. The first disadvantage is communication barriers. Employees from different countries may speak different languages and have different cultures. Also, time zone differences can make communication slower and more difficult lah. The second disadvantage is quality control problems. It is harder for company to monitor employees who work in another country. Because of this, there is a risk that the product or service quality may become slower lah. And the third disadvantage is job loss in the home country. When company when company move work to another country, some local employees may lose their job. This can create negative public opinion towards the company. And the last one will be is legal and regulation issues. Different countries have different labor laws, taxes, and regulations. Company must follow these rules, and this can make the process more. It can make it more become complicated lah. All right, so I will pass the challenges for the next presenter.
So right now we're moving on to the challenge of offshoring. The first one is cultural difference. They have different values and work styles, can cause misunderstanding and conflict, and need cross-cultural training. The second one is communication barriers. different language and time zone, hard to give clear instruction. They have a lot of worker, a lot of different language worker, make us mistake and delays. That one is legal and regulation difference. Different country they have their own regulation, different labor law in each country, different tax and employment rules, risk of fines and legal problems. Number 4 is quality control problem, hard to monitor offshore workers, different skill and training level, and risk of low product or service quality. We're going to the next one is number 5, political and economy risks, change in government policy, currency and inflation problems, and can affect company profits. And number 6 is management difficulties, hard to control operation far away, need strong HR and system management. We're going to the next part.
So, greetings to our lecturer. So, I will explain how HR system can reduce offshoring problems. So, first, companies need to provide cross-cultural training. This means this training helps employees understand different cultures, reduce misunderstanding, and improve teamwork. So, second, companies must have strong communication system. For example, using video calls, online meetings, and clear communication rules. This helps employees in different countries work together more easily. For the third one is the company must follow local labor law. HR must make sure the company follows rules in each country such as salary, working hours, and in employee rights. This can avoid legal problems. So fourth one is companies need good global talent management. HR should hire skilled workers, give training, and keep good employees. This helps improve performance in offshore operations. Fifth one, there must be good coordination between headquarters and offshore branches. The company can send experienced manager or expatriates to manage operation and maintain company standards. With a strong HR system, companies can reduce problems, improve performance, and make offshoring more successful. So that's all for HR system can reduce offshoring problems. So I'll pass it to the next presenter.
Okay, for suggestion for offshoring, based on the challenges discussed earlier, organization must implement strategic human resources practice to manage international employees more effectively. So for the first one, is company should implement cross-cultural training program for employees who are involved in international operation. Cultural differences often lead to misunderstanding in communication, leadership expectation, and workplace behavior. By providing cross-cultural training, employees can develop better cultural awareness and learn how to work more effectively. So for the second one is to strengthen their quality control. One of the common disadvantages of offshoring is the difficulty in maintaining consistent product or service quality. To address the issue, companies should establish clear performance indicator, conduct regular audits, and use digital monitoring tools. Next is employee support and reskilling initiative. Offshoring can sometimes create job insecurity among employees in their home country, which may negatively affect moral and organizational commitment. Therefore, companies should offer training programs, career transition support, and opportunities for employees to develop new skills. Next is strong legal compliance and international HR governance. Since different countries have different labor law, employment regulation, and tax requirement, multinational companies must ensure that they comply with this regulation. Dedicated HR and legal teams should be responsible for monitoring this requirement to avoid legal issues. Last is the invest in technology and knowledge sharing system. Digital platform, collaboration tools, and centralized knowledge management allow employees from different countries to share information and work together more efficiently. This not only to improve coordination between headquarters and offshore operation, but also support to support innovation and productivity within the organization. So for conclusion, I will pass to the representative.
So in conclusion, offshoring is important for multinational companies because it helps reduce costs, increase efficiency, and get skilled workers from another countries. However, offshoring also has problems such as cultural differences, communication issues, legal problems, and difficulty in controlling quality. To reduce these problems, companies need a strong HR system. For example, providing training, using good communication, managing employees properly, and following local laws. With a good HR system, offshoring can run smoothly and help the company achieve better performance in the future. So overall, we can see that offshoring can give many benefits lah, but companies must manage it carefully. With a strong HR system, multinational companies can reduce problems and make offshoring more effective. That's all from us. Thank you for your attention.
Madam.